Our organizations are changing at a speed that continues to increase. This impacts talent development as you look for strategic levers to pull that provide you with an advantage over your competition. Employee development is one universally recognized strategic lever that fuels growth and productivity in our desire to attract and retain employees. So how do you develop your employees when they need to be upskilled to meet new demands? What resources can you deploy to support their success after a promotion is made? How do you communicate their need to develop and deploy a brand new set of skills? These age-old questions can be answered with DIY Digital, which allows you to scale your development strategies and invite employees at all levels into an exploration of the key roles and behaviorally based practices needed for development based upon decades of research. Even better, the development content has been customized for the unique work worlds that they experience as a leader, manager, or as an individual contributor. In less than 5 minutes, you can design a learning experience that leads them to their own DIY dashboard, branded with your logo. Upon entering the portal, they will explore the roles and practices that are most important at your organization, while also engaging the career architect, powered by AI, Authentic Intelligence. Through this conversational chat feature, your learners can ask questions in their own words to guide their growth, development, and the creation of focused individual development plans. So what is authentic intelligence? Most artificial intelligence applications pull from sources that provide inaccurate or misaligned advice, which is not based in proven developmental research. When partnering with TalentTelligent, your learners receive guidance and developmental tips based only on decades of peer-reviewed research and the experience of our authors. This is authentic intelligence. Contact our team to set up a demonstration today and pull the strategic lever that leads to growth and productivity.